piece of land by the river, and I built a house of wood. The wind and the rain with the cold November came, and it all got lost in the flood. When I finally made it back there 3 weeks later, but all that I found was mud. No letter stained with tears, not a single souvenir. It was all lost in the flood. Na 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 na, lost in the flood. Na 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 na, lost in the flood. Stood there crying like a baby on the spot where his old house had stood. He was shivering with the cold. He said, my heart and soul has all been lost in the flood. As a boy, he built that house up with his father, with him stained with tears and sweat and blood. But a year to the day that his father passed away, it all got lost in the flood. Na 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 na, lost in the flood. Na 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 na, lost in the flood. Not the kind of man that goes down easy, but old man River beat me good. Left me shivering tired and cold, staring down into a hole, lost in the flood, lost in the flood.